Your best friend. I'm not tell you say all man a dog. All mal and him, I soon left him nastiness. Last night, him never last for a minute. Girl, him body like 3.5 inch. What me I do with that? I soon left him and come be single with ya, girl. Alright, later. Eh.
What that?
What?
We are going to tell people say I can't fuck my body smart. I know say last night, I knock out your back 7 times and I have an anaconda. I know that.
Me know that, but Dirty Debbie no need to know that. Debbie will walk and take everybody, man. Me must tell her, say, you blow up my back 7 times last night. No, I saw enough girl lose them, man.
But she your best friend.
It don't matter. I could have Mother Teresa. Me not trust no girl around you. As far as me concerned, you have a 3-inch dick and you can't get it up. As a matter of fact, my horny right now come blow up my back.
No, you know what? I don't think so. No. My ego shattered. I feel like I can't perform.
Alright, babe. Me tell him say I have a 4-inch.
Alright, let's do it.